Listen to this. Every 5 days, a baby dies in Davidson County. That heartbreaking new information coming from the Metro Public Health Department, which is spearheading a program aimed at cutting that number in half. News Channel 5's Jesse Knutson tells us about the Strong Babies Project.
Babies. They're some of the most vulnerable members of our society because they can't fend for themselves. And now the city of Nashville is stepping up, pledging to give support to babies and their families to try to curb infant mortality.
You see, in Davidson County, there is this concept of infant mortality. It is the idea that an infant that dies before their first birthday is the true barometer of a health of a community. And by that barometer, we are not very healthy.
In some neighborhoods, half of babies won't live to see their first birthday. So in 2016, the Metro Public Health Department tried to curb that number by helping 30 families in the Napier neighborhood. All of those families had their children live past a year. And after the success of that program, the city has now been given more than $1 million a year for the next 5 years by the federal government to continue their work.
This is an opportunity for us to really support families across Davidson County in having healthy children. We know in some communities, babies are dying every 5 days in our city, and this really presents an opportunity for us to really cut that number in half over the next 5 years.
They'll be targeting 7 different zip codes, all with the highest infant mortality rates in Nashville. They will have health coaching, group prenatal care, pediatric care, and other services to try to help these children when they're at their most vulnerable. Jesse Knutson, News Channel 5.
Metro plans to hire 10 staffers that will meet with mothers and offer support from early stages of pregnancy through when the child reaches 18 months old.